Namaste viewers, welcome to Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Today I am going to prepare a snack using poha. Ingredients for this are 1 bowl of poha or flattened rice, avalakki or aval. I have soaked it and taken. You have to soak it for at least half an hour. It should be soft enough to smash it. So 1 bowl of poha, 1 cup of smallly cut onion, salt according to taste, 1 bowl of boiled and mashed potato, 1 big size of potato I have taken, boiled and smashed it. This is coriander powder, green chilies, red chili powder, cumin powder, roasted cumin powder, coriander leaves. We will start the procedure. Now first take a broad vessel and take this poha into it. First we will smash this poha using this smasher. Now add required amount of salt to it, and we will add the masala so that while smashing the poha it will get mixed thoroughly with it. So 1 spoon of coriander powder, 1 spoon of jeera powder, chili powder you add according to your taste. Here I am adding just 1 full spoon of, that is 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Now we will mix it and smash it thoroughly so that all the ingredients mix with well. Now I have mixed it thoroughly. Time to add the other ingredients. Green chilies, boiled and mashed potatoes, coriander, finely chopped coriander, finely chopped onions, and we will mix it. Better you mix it with your hands so that it will get mixed thoroughly. Give pressure and mix it so that all the ingredients will bind evenly. Give pressure and mix. Like this you have to mix, or else poha will be one side and the other ingredients will be one side. It won't taste nice. Now it has mixed perfectly. Now we will take a plate and grease it with oil. Add 1 to 1.5 teaspoon of oil. Grease it thoroughly. Grease it in the corners also, you grease it. Now I have greased it thoroughly. Now we will take this mixture, poha mixture, in this plate and flatten it and spread it in the plate evenly. You spread this mixture in the plate and press it, flatten it thoroughly. Now we will keep this plate in the fridge for half an hour. Then we will start the next procedure. We have to keep this in the fridge to set it. It will set it perfectly so that we can cut in the desired shape and we will start the next procedure. Now after half an hour it looks like this. You can prepare this and keep it in the fridge for at least 1 day, and you can cut it and shallow fry it and have it as a snack. Now it's ready to cut it into pieces. Take a knife and apply some oil on it. You just cut it in the desired shape. Now it is cut. We will start removing the pieces one by one. Remove it carefully. Like this it will come out. Now remove all the pieces and we will shallow fry it. Now switch on the stove. Take a pan, or you can take chapati tawa also. Whichever convenient for you, you take it, let it get heated. Now apply some oil on the pan. Spread it in the pan. Now take these poha pieces and shallow fry it. Now let it cook on that side, and then we will flip it off to the other side. After some time you flip it to the other side and let it cook. You cook it thoroughly on all the sides. It will be very tasty with sauce or chutney. Continue cooking the patties, turning into the other side until it is thoroughly cooked. If necessary, you add some oil. Both the side you have to add some oil. Then continue cooking. You have to do it on a low flame only. Then only it will cook thoroughly from inside. Now it is done and thoroughly cooked. Take it out from the pan. Continue the same procedure with remaining tikkis also. Now the evening snacks, poha, tikkis or patties, you can call it in either names, is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel Sunita's Kitchen Stories. Thank you.